full moons typically occur once per month and each has a special name depending on the time of the year. The full moon in July is the buck moon, named after the new antlers that emerge from a buck's forehead around this time of the year, and it is also called thunder moon and hay moon. So in ancient times, it was common to track the changing seasons by following the lunar month rather than the solar year, which the 12 months in our modern calendar are based on. For millennia, people across Europe as well as Native American tribes named the month after features they associated with the Northern Hemisphere seasons, and many of these names are very similar or identical. So apart from being called the buck moon, another name for the July full moon is thunder moon because of the frequent thunderstorms in summer. It is also called the hay moon after the hay harvest that takes place in July. So this year, the July's full buck moon will rise after sunset on Friday, July 23rd, reaching peak illumination at 10:37 p.m. Eastern Time that night. Look towards the southeast to watch it rise above the horizon. So the full moon in July is called the buck moon because the antlers of male deer are in full growth mode at this time. Bucks shed and regrow their antlers each year, producing a larger and more impressive set as the years go by. Several other names for this month's moon also reference animals, including feather molting moon and salmon moon, a term indicating when fish return to the area and were ready to be harvested. Plants are also featured prominently in July's moon names. Some of our favorites are berry moon, month of the ripe corn moon, and raspberry moon. Thunder moon and halfway summer moon are alternative variants that refer to the stormy weather and summer season. Different cultures can have different names for the moon. In the southern hemisphere, July's full moon is also known as wolf moon, old moon, and ice moon, to name just a few. The July full buck moon spiritual meaning and name are attributed to the male deer known as a buck. By late July, the velvety rack of a buck is forming into impressive antlers and viewed as a symbol of fertility. It's truly a magnificent sight to behold. During July and August, the buck's antlers will start to harden and form tips. By mid-September, the velvet will shed and the buck will be ready for the mating season. Now let's look at the buck moon 2021 from an astrological point of view. So this July occurrence is highly anticipated in the astronomy world, but astrologers are particularly looking forward to the celestial event for its reflective energy and celebration of all things nature. So according to astrologers, since it occurs the day after the sun enters Leo, we should all be engaging with rituals around self-care as the sun finishes up its journey in Cancer. Nurturing baths filled with essential oils, bath salts, and crystals are great year-round but will be especially healing in the days leading up to the buck moon. It is being believed that the buck moon is the perfect opportunity to tune into the natural world. So mark your calendars this July 2021 on Friday, July 23rd, 2021 around 10:37 EST to witness the full moon of July known as the buck moon. But the moon will also appear full the night before and after its peak for the casual stargazers. Do not miss this beautiful nighttime event.